Hello friends. So today is World Environment Day. And on this day, I like to take few minutes of you to tell you something really important, very important. So to start with, I will take the famous quote of Swami Vivekananda. He said, "জীবে প্রেম করে যেই জন, সেই জন সেবিছে ঈশ্বর, বহু রূপে সম্মুখে ছাড়ি, কোথা খুঁজিস ঈশ্বর." That means that if you love animal, if you love which has life, then you are actually worshipping God. So this brings a very important aspect or an important thing that we should understand, that animals, plants and everybody should coexist along with us. Let me take you a small snap of yours. So all of you believe in God, right? Before going to exam, you pray to God. Now if you see, all the God has an animal attached with it, with the God itself, gods or goddesses. Like Lord Shiva has a snake around his neck, Ma Durga has a lion, right? Ganesha, his face is also of an elephant, and the rodents or the rats or mouse, I will say, are his Vahan, right? So similar for Kartikeya, everybody. So what does that mean? That they are very much attached and deeply dependent on animals, and that means animals should coexist in our life. Let's take another picture. See how Lord Rama has embraced Hanuman. Sri Krishna is tingling the cows. Buddha is in all his meditation with the deers and the big tree. And see Lord Jesus, how he has embraced the sheep. So in every religion it is taught that we should embrace animal in our life. We should treat them more than we treat human beings. We should love them. That will give a lot of peace, harmony, love and affection, and will build our ecosystem. Recently we heard of the cruelty, the heinous act that few people did to an animal, to an elephant, where they kept a pineapple stuffed with crackers. So was it correct? And the animal ate it unknowingly, thinking that it's a pineapple, and she was pregnant, right? The young baby, it's going to give birth to a new one, right? And then it died. For a week, it is stranded into the water, bearing the severe ordeal of pain, of that the injury she got. So is this correct? Is it how we should treat animal? I've seen a lot of young folks, like maybe your age group, a little bit elder age group, they are just treating the dog, they are putting crackers in the tail of a dog so that the dog runs, and it was a fun. It is not a fun. It is actually you are punishing yourself. When you are punishing somebody, right? Don't you feel so bad? So I know you guys are very good and you love animals a lot. I know young fellows like you are love animals a lot. And if you see somebody doing that, ask them to stop that. So on this day also I like to introduce or tell about, like, when we will do our ATL projects, we'll focus something called UN Sustainable Development Goals, which is the 17 goals. Like if you see goal 13, life underwater, life on land. So these are the two projects we can focus on, where we can think of how we can save life, how we can uh, create a better ecosystem where both us as human beings and the animals can happily coexist. Right? Along with that, we'll do all other projects like sustainable consumption and all those things. But just to keep in mind that we'll talk more about this as and when we'll do this. But try to think today, like every day from now on, you will do one small simple things to save our Mother Earth. We'll take a promise today, we'll take an oath today, that every day we'll do something which will help to save our Mother Earth, and we can have a long, sustainable, great green future. Along with that, I'm going to say in that video, stay safe at home, stay healthy, and be happy. Thank you.